In front of me is Motorola Moto G86, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is black, which means that auto rotation is off. To turn it on, click on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, tap on Display section, and scroll down to use this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen. This way you can switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!